Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and we're featuring these beautiful ink pads from Catherine Pooler. And this happens to be the party collection, the life of the party. And they work really well on clear stamps, so we're going to have some fun with our little penguins. I thought we'd try some of the snowflakes in the background. I found I could have also lifted some yellow from the Tiara ink pad to color in the little penguins' beaks, but there are little pieces on the set for that, so it's there if you want it. And you probably could do it the same with the black, but I used a black color pencil that's aquarelle, and now I'll just take a wet brush to it and blend it a little bit. I could come in here and just make a little bit of indication of some blue here for their the little lake they're skating on. And the same way, if we want to get brave, we could do a little wash up here on the side. Okay, that worked quite well, and it all cleans up very easily. And I understand these inks will also work to emboss, so you could emboss some little silver snowflakes on here as well if you like. The inks clean up quite readily off of the clear stamps, which is very nice. And there you can see a complete card that came together very quickly, and all the beautiful colors are very vibrant and stand out beautifully on this card. Let's see if we can emboss our snowflakes in silver tinsel here. Okay, if you work quickly, that's going to cover it. We'll move this out of the way.